Number 5. In the last lecture, we had seen both the structures. We had seen the structure of COCl3 6NH3 as well as COCl3 5NH3, and then I told you कि वो precipitate होंगे and how कितने ions form होंगे. I have made a chart of all the different examples over here. I would like to explain the last example. See, that is COCl3 3NH3 वाला ये example है. I would like to explain the same. Now see, listen here. ये कंपाउंड में द 3 क्लोराइड आयंस satisfy both the primary as well as the secondary valence. समझ में आ रहा है? See, it is COCl3 NH3 thrice. They अभी ये जो है it is satisfying both primary as well as the secondary valence. So are they ionizable? No, they are not ionizable. They won't be precipitated by the addition of AgNO3. Therefore, the coordination compounds behaves in this way as neutral non-conducting molecule. So COCl3 NH3 thrice ये जो molecule लिखा है it doesn't ionize. This is the reason why it doesn't ionize. And then after that I have made a chart of the different molecules, उसका presentation, the mode of ionization and the total number of ions which are there in the solution. तो ये छोड़ के बाकी सभी जो complexes है, see, we had started first with COCl3 6NH3. How to represent it? It is CONH3 6 times and Cl3 is written outside the bracket. That is ionizable. And see, how does it ionize? What is the mode of ionization over there? It ionizes it in this way. So total number of ions हमको कितना मिला यहाँ पे 3 plus 1, that is the entire one is considered. So the total number of ions are 4 in the first example. Similarly, we proceed with the other examples. So you can see that second example में where we have considered is COCl3 5NH3. So how to represent it? We have written it is represented by COCl. तो अभी यहाँ पे ionizable कितने हैं? 2 क्लोराइड. 1 क्लोराइड जो है उसने satisfy किया both the primary as well as the secondary valence. Textbook में they have given the structure in the circular form, but I think this is more easy to understand than the circular one. So this is the way to represent COCl3 NH3 thrice उसका structure. The different complexes which are possible with the ammonia molecules, उसके different mode of ionizations and the number of ions which are present or which will be formed in those structures. Okay, now the next lecture we proceed with the different concepts of what is a ligand, how are they classified, and the remaining part will continue in the next lecture. Okay.